tears, I don't cry, but my eyes will tear dry. We at war. Shit, I'm lost in my own battle. You eat that clone meat like we ran out of cattle. Not trusting the soul, got me stuck alone. Fuck that, Jane Ezra's phone. Thinking he was in the bill, not knowing when he crashed. We in the mall, break car, Jan Snoop just crashed. Damn, who knew life could yank you up so fast? The night before we chill, drunk and laugh, reminiscing our past. I wish I could've took the key to the car. Life can't be a bitch, cause she hit too hard. I remember Jay said, Shiny, you gon' make it. Shiny could keep your head up, one day you'll be the greatest. Fuck dreaming that, time wasting that. What's the point if you can't stay in your own skin?
Too much time and soul, trying to get them figures, what these niggas don't know. I was really trying to get it, gotta buckle down on them. Gotta buckle down on them. Too much effort lost, and this shit trying to get me a dip. What these niggas don't know, I was spitting the real. Gotta buckle down on them. Gotta buckle down on them.
Determination is the key, success is the goal. Told them one day I was the top of the totem pole. Started from the bottom, so I climbed up the flagpole. I'm so wavy, king of the underground, gravitation man. Look how I hold it down, diamonds on your neck like history repeating itself. Gotta give respect to receive respect. Just cause you give it don't mean you gon' receive it next. Like when you ate the pussy first, did you receive the next? These hoes ain't shit to an ex nigga. You put that pussy on a silver platter, go figure, don't deal it. Jail or the Hell's Kitchen, now you wishing for the hands of a clock. One thing about time, you can't make it untie, and it don't stop. Live life like P did it, and we won't stop, and it don't stop. Ha. Yeah,
too much time and soul, trying to get them figures, what these niggas don't know. I was really trying to get it, buckle down on them. Gotta buckle down on them. Too much effort lost, and this shit trying to get me a dip. What these niggas don't know, I was spitting the real. Buckle down